أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
الأعراب أشد كفرا ونفاقا وأجدر ألا يعلموا حدود ما أنزل الله على رسوله والله عليم حكيم.
The desert Arabs are the most steeped in disbelief and hypocrisy, and the most likely to ignore the limits that Allah revealed to His Messenger. Allah is knowing and wise.
ومن الأعراب من يتخذ ما ينفق مغرما ويتربص بكم الدوائر عليهم دائرة السوء والله سميع عليم.
And among the desert Arabs are those who consider their contribution to be a fine, and they wait for a reversal of your fortunes. Upon them will fall the cycle of misfortune. Allah is hearing and knowing.
ومن الأعراب من يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر ويتخذ ما ينفق قربات عند الله وصلوات الرسول ألا إنها قربة لهم سيدخلهم الله في رحمته إن الله غفور رحيم.
Yet among the desert Arabs are those who believe in Allah and the last day, and consider their contribution to be a means towards Allah, and the prayers of the Messenger. Surely it will draw them closer, and Allah will admit them into His mercy. Allah is forgiving and compassionate.